Hello, dear students. I hope all of you are doing well. So, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about how to answer IGCSE, means Cambridge English Literature questions, including O levels, A levels, IGCSE writing skills paper. So, we are going to discuss about the list of contents that we're going to discuss in this lecture. So, the first there are total three main types of question you get in your Cambridge International paper. And the first one is essay question that is based on theme, character, setting. The second one is based on passage based question. The passage is given and you have to answer the passage. Um, the third one is poetry comparison if doing poetry, and it is basically in the A levels and AS level, in the you can say Cambridge paper. So we're going to discuss that how to tackle this type of paper, especially writing skills. It comes under the writing skill paper. So the first one is essay based question. For example, how does the writer present character of Sheila in an inspector calls? It is an essay based question, and you have to talk about the theme and character, and how to answer this by using the method of peel. Peel method is P stands for point, E stand for evidence, E stand for explanation, and L stand for link. So P is basically your ideas, your point of views. E stand for quotes, your evidence. E again stand for explanation, that what it shows, and L stand for link, connect to question. It means that an essay based question is all about that you are going to talk about the theme and character. So if we talk about the sample questions, we will be having the sample paragraph like point is like Sheila changes from a careless girl to a responsible young woman, while the evidence is that when she says I will never I will never do it again to anybody. While the third point explanation in this essay question is that her reputation shows her guilt and her sincere desire to improve, while link is something that disproves Priestley uses Sheila to show that young people can learn and change. So it is essay based question, and essay based question is like a paragraph type writing, okay? And it is basically a paragraph writing, and I have already uploaded the paragraph writing and writing course and how to write a paragraph in a good way. So essay question is also that the topic is given to you and you have to write an essay. Either it will be narrative, either it will be descriptive, either it will be you can say expository or argumentative. By following the peel structure, you have to answer this question. Now moving further towards the sample based question. Sample based question is all about that how does the writer use language here to create tension, how the writer use language that in the uh, whenever the story is written to, given to you, you are given the sample in the paper. You have to look up to the language, that what kind of language the writer used to create tension in the text. So here the focus will be on words, phrases, imagery, tone, dialogue, state direction. While the structure is start with the general opening, the writer creates tension here by saying anything. Second one is pick short quotes. Third thing is analyze how words create the effect. And the fourth thing is keep linking back to the question. Sample based question is like this, that if we talk about some mini example, so I will say orally, you have to listen to it very carefully. I'm starting off with the mini example. For example, the writer builds tension through violent imagery, like the door slammed violently, showing how the atmosphere become unstable, and threatening, the word violently suggests danger, making the reader uneasy. So, in this way, writer creates the tension. I have spoken certain words in this passage, meaning in the meaning example, that how writer use sample based question, that you have to look at the writing style of the writer and find out the tension words that create tension in the passage. Now, moving further towards the third part, that is poetry comparison, if required. But this part is most common in A levels paper. So, if we talk about the poetry comparison, there will be theme, tone, language, imagery, and structure. If we talk about the mini example sentences, I will starting off with the both poets explored the theme of loss, but while poem A uses gently imagery to show quiet sadness, poem B uses harsh, violent language to show emotional pain. So, in this way, you are going to tackle the poetry comparison question. And if there are two poetry passages are given by two different poets, you have to analyze the text in this way, that you have used certain theme, you have to give certain explanation to imagery the writer or the poet used in poem A or poem B. So in this way, you are going to tackle the international Cambridge international papers and O levels and A levels paper. And these are the three basic parts, these are the three basic types of content that they have asked from the students. Okay, so that's all from my side. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. And thank you so much for watching.